The Factbook lets you search any biblical topic to get instant access to textual and visual information from across your library. Searches offer a key article detailing the most relevant information from your resources, and each section below provides yet more insight. Let me show you how it works. Let's say you're studying Luke 23 and you'd like to do some background research on Herod. You might ask, which Herod is this again? And which jurisdiction did he rule? Well, Factbook is meant for these types of orienting questions. Click the Factbook icon to visually indicate which words in your text link to a Factbook entry. The pop-up indicates that this is the Herod that beheaded John the Baptist, not Herod from Jesus' birth narrative. Click Herod to open the full entry, although you can also open the Factbook from the Tools menu and search for Herod. A key article summarizes the essential information on Herod, like the fact that he reigned over Galilee, Jesus' home region, during most of Jesus' lifetime, and a linked dictionary entry provides yet more detail. Each section below surfaces your library resources to give you an overview at a glance. For example, open Herod's family tree diagram from the media search options to view his relationship to the other Herods mentioned in the Bible. Or note how the Bible references Herod, like when Jesus calls Herod a fox earlier in his ministry after learning Herod wanted him killed. Notice how Logos even marks pronouns referencing the king, ensuring your study encompasses every possible relevant passage. Each biblical event mentioning Herod shows below with the links to the passages, and other biographical events in his life show linked below as well. You can run Factbook searches on just about anything: biblical people, places, historical events, theological topics, lemmas, and more. If you're not completely sure what to look for, Logos can guide you in the right direction with smart search options. For instance, as you study the Passion Week, you can run a variety of Factbook searches to gain quick insight into cultural and historical details of this important week. Search for crucifixion, and notice how the drop-down shows general concepts, crucifixion events, and even people involved in the resurrection of Jesus. Choose the concept of crucifixion to learn that several other cultures and people employed crucifixion as a form of capital punishment. Below, you'll find other linked Factbook entries, like the type of Roman crucifixion spear driven into Christ on the cross, which even includes a photo from an archaeological dig. The Factbook is your first stop for research. In a few moments, get an overview of a biblical person, place, event, topic, or anything else.